Hey there, my friend. So today's lesson, we are going to look at a few highlighted videos where I show you how I roll my brush. This is how I create edges around clouds, by learning to control your brush and roll it with loaded paint and let the brush make an edge. So I've got a few videos here. We're going to go through some highlights where it's just demonstrating rolling that brush, loading it with fat paint, and working your way through building clouds. So sit back and let's just watch these highlights. Be inspired, my friend. Stay at the easel. So when I'm working with this and I pick up the light paint, if I come down and work any of this into some of this blue area, I kind of pull my brush and drag it down, I immediately come and wipe that off. I don't want to contaminate by bringing some of this blue down into my pile. One thing I've learned to do is to use my brush in all the aspects that it's capable of doing. It's not just this and this, but you can learn to roll your brush. So I load my brush pretty thick when I'm looking at these areas here, the design of that. And I'll lay it on here, but then I'll roll that brush and let it do some of the work on the edges for me. And you can create some really nice shapes that way, opposed to trying to sit here and draw it very carefully. Just let the brush do some creative design for you. And you'll find that you enjoy that, and it's fun. Actually, I'm coming back with some thick paint. I'm using a Rosemary Eclipse. It's a Series 275, an angular brush. You can get some really nice lines. I like to load it and then roll the brush. If you'll watch, you'll see how I load it with some fat paint and then I roll that brush and let it design for me. Watch this brush roll, and it leaves behind that great design work. Then you come back in and bring in some gray tones to give that volume. You don't leave just that line on there by itself, but work in some beautiful warm tones that give it some depth and some volume. Well, that was fun. Thank you for watching.